Hi everyone and welcome. In front of me is Sony SRSXB13 wireless speaker, and today I will show you how to unpair it from your iPhone. Let's get started. At first we have to scroll down to our control panel and hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go to Bluetooth settings. As you can see, we're not connected with our SRSXB13, so we have to click this button over there. Now we have to click on our device, and now we are connected. To unpair it from our iPhone, we have to click this info over there and click Forget this device. We can now click Forget device, and now we are unpaired. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more details of videos and hope it helps. Goodbye.